The fireman's shoveling coal in the firebox, and you can see every single chuff from the exhaust steam is lifting the fire. We talked about how the smoke box works. The driver shut the regulator now. We're coasting. So the draw of the fire through the boiler is reduced. So it's a lazier fire. Lots of chemical energy being put into the firebox to provide the heat to make the steam. So stop waiting for the guard, who I think is shutting the level crossing gates.
Nobody's got a paper, but nobody lost it today. There's nobody available.
So the guard's just shut the gates, he's getting back on the train. So this is our driver, Brian, today. Morning, Brian.
Good afternoon, please. Good afternoon, I'm sorry. Let's see precise.
The fireman's putting a lot of coal in the fire because we're going to need a lot of steam in a moment because we're going to have a very steep gradient on this railway. So the driver's opening the regulator, let steam from the boiler go towards works pistons in the cylinders. So the boiler pressure at the moment is about 130 pounds per square inch. You can see the water level in the water gauge here. That's a pretty full glass of water. Now the engine's working really hard. We're on a curve and we're just starting to climb. More regulator opening. So the driver was opening and shutting the fire hole door for the fireman so that not to let too much cold air get drawn into the firebox, which would cool the boiler rather than heat it. If you look, actually we've got more steam pressure than when we started. Nearly full regulator open now. Water level's okay. Driver's tea, hasn't got time for tea at the moment. Regulated almost fully open now. The noise as we go under the trees is amazing.
What's the rating? 150? 150 is the rating. That's what.
So we're going up a gradient of about 1 in 50 at the moment. The whistle sign ahead.
Hey! Hey!
Steam pressure has gone down a little bit now. The farmer's going to hand over the token to the signalman. That was our token to be on the single line railway. We're just coming over the crest of the summit now into the station, so the driver shut the steam almost off completely. That's the steam shut off. We're coasting into the station now over the level crossing. And here we are in the station. Fire is so hot I can hardly keep my hand here from the heat, the radiant heat. Now you can see the water level has gone down a lot. We've used a lot of water. The injector is on, putting more water into the boiler. But as we've gone over, the water's slopping around in the boiler a bit. Thank you very much, Brian.
You're more than welcome.